Hi, I'm Asha Newbold, property partner at CR Real Estates, and I am again in Hempstead, currently one of my favourite places to be. I'm absolutely in love with this property already, so let's go inside and take a look around. So take a look at all this space that this property offers. You have a spacious lounge to the front, leading onto a generous kitchen and onto a dining room. Plenty of space for all the family of any age, whether you have toddlers or teenagers. This house is perfectly sociable. This property benefits from 3 double bedrooms, so there'll be no arguments over who's having the small room. In addition, you have a study, which is ideal for the new modern way of working. Plumtree Grove is a short distance to Hempstead Valley, which offers an array of shops, cafes and restaurants, as well as the new JD gym. It's a lovely distance to enjoy walking to school with the children, and the Hempstead Infant and Junior Schools both offer a good Ofsted rating. There's also good access to the M2 M20 motorways. This property also has planning permission for a double-storey extension. It would take a 3-bedroom semi-detached with a huge garage and turn it into a 5-bedroom semi-detached property with the addition of a downstairs utility room, a downstairs shower room and an ensuite to the master bedroom. I hope you've enjoyed this property as much as I have, and if you'd like to come and view, give us a call on the number below and we'll arrange your tour.